Hey guys, I'm gonna show you something real quick of how I prep my hair when the weather is cold. Now, what do you do when you wear your hair like in wet styles but now it's getting cold and the weather won't permit it? Well, that's what I'm gonna show you today.
Then get up.
Now I have to do some runs today and I'm on my way out because I have to do some runs today. But basically, I have been putting my hair up, guys. I have been putting my hair up and just giving it its treatments, you know. This feels so good. So this morning, I got up and I sprayed my hair with leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature. I love spritzing my hair every now and then with, a leave-in conditioner. Okay, so that's what's on there. That's all that's on there. Probably later on today, I will be coloring it. So then what I did was I just parted my hair off. Just part your hair off, okay? Just part your hair off like this. And I just left this out because I love to massage my scalp, but I have rubber band going all the way around in a circle. As soon as I finish with my runs today, guys, I'm just gonna come home, wash my hair, and I'm putting my color on. So now that that is in, y'all know our concoction, right? Look at it, it's almost gone. It is almost gone. But I still have to do a different mixture for you guys to see what I can come up with for you guys with this, okay? Because y'all already know about this. So what I am just gonna do is just put it in my hair. Now there's a couple of ways I can do my hair, guys. I can let my hair be curly up here. I can comb this in and let it be curly. I told you guys what this stuff does to my hair. It just makes it curl. It just makes it curl. So there's a couple of ways that you can fix, your hair.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day.
My hair is growing. My hair is growing, guys. I'm gonna have to put some gel on this because this do not want my hair to lay down. Should I do it that way? Because it don't want my hair to lay down. This stuff, I love it. Y'all know what it is. I really don't want to put anything towards my face, really, guys, because I still have to do my facial morning routine as well. If y'all would like to see what that pertains, y'all will have to tell me. This is nothing but Echo Styling Gel to help lay this hair down some. So we got the gel on my hair. I am going to sweep my hair back because I still have to do my morning facial routine. And I'm just going to push. I'm just pushing it. Just pushing it. Now y'all know the journey that we've been having with our hair. It has been successful. When I texturize my hair, I'm trying to get this camera right for you guys. When I texturize my hair, guys, y'all know I only went on top of the texturizer, and I am so glad that I followed my mind and just did that. That is working out perfect. So if I decide to texturize my hair again, that's not going to be a problem, because by the time it's time for me to texturize my hair, I would have clipped all the hair off of my head that's texturized. Remember, I said it's only going to show in the top anyway. The texturizer is only going to show in the top, so why go all the way to your root? So basically, this is where we are. I can get a little bit more fancier with it, but like I said, I'm coloring my hair later on tonight with a Beijing hair rinse, and I am and it will be black. So that's why I said I just need to have something done to my hair to whereas it'll look presentable, you know. So now that we have the front of our hair, however way you want to wear it, we have the front of our hair done. I like to take this. This is just a Dollar Tree wave cap. I love these things. They are so convenient. These Dollar Tree wave caps, oh my goodness, they convenient. So this is the way the front of our hair looks. This is the way the back of our hair looks. We just rubber band our hair in a perimeter. And you're gonna take this. You're gonna take this cap and lay it right where your hair ends. Okay? Just lay it right where it ends. And we're just gonna tie this up. Now, around the front, depending on what hat you wear or what scarf you wear, you still want that to be smooth. So you want to make sure that that's smooth. Now guys, the reason why I put the rubber bands in is because it gives your scarf or your hat or your wave cap something to hold on to so it will not slip off your head while you're out in the street. And the reason why I got this wave cap on is because I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're gonna wear a cap on your head, you ain't gonna know till it's too late that the material on that cap is taking your hair out. So this wave cap is like a protectant between your hair and the cap or the scarf. So guys, let's say I wanted to wear a little beanie today. I can take a little beanie and I just place it right there, put my cap on my head, let it be flat. So whatever color that I will be wearing today, You know, I have little beanie hats and little cute hats and, you know, wraps and stuff. And for extra security, if you want, guys, just, you know, take you a pen. And they have decorative pens at the beauty supply. You can use a long pen like that to stick it underneath that rubber band and that cap, and that's going to make that cap stay and not go anywhere. Do your face, do your makeup, and you're good to go. You're good to go. Always, you know, protect your hair though if you're going to be wearing a cap. I would never put on a skull cap without putting a scarf on. I just won't. You're not going to know the damage that does until it's too late. I can promise you that. And so this is good enough. You know, do your little touch-ups of what you need to do. This is good enough to get me through my day. This is good enough to get me through my day. Let me get my little runs on. And yeah. And I'm telling you guys, I am loving the break that my hair is getting. My hair is just doing so good, guys. Y'all know already. I want to cut my hair so bad I can taste it. I want to cut my hair so bad I can taste it. But, like I said, have a plan. If I cut my hair, I'm only going to do this to it because it ain't even 30 degrees where I am right now, guys. So, I'm not going to be wearing my hair. I'm definitely not going to be going outside without a hat on. And hell, with this hairstyle, you can wear earmuffs and everything. Now, our hair is done. Go get you some cute hats, some cute wraps. Our hair is done. Guys, our hair is done. We can go buy a different color, black, white, cream, whatever you want to wear. You can put like a scarf on this. Whatever you want to wear, it will look nice. So now, guys, I'm just going to go and moisturize my face. I'm going to moisturize my face. So, guys, if you want a quick hairdo that's going to give your hair a break, then I think this is perfect. But for God's sakes, use some type of protectant, whether it is your nightcap, your silk bonnet, or the wave cap. Put something that's going to protect your hair, make a barrier between your hair and whatever cap you're going to use, guys, because these caps will eat your hair out. Even the scarves, put a protective barrier on your hair. All right, guys, well, we are ready. Our hair is moisturized, it's feeling good, it's protected from this cap. This is a simple and easy hairstyle to do, whether you're just going about a regular day or it is cold outside. So today, later on, probably I will be coloring my hair, you know, black, and I am going to use a beiging. Y'all done seen me do that 1,000 times. But basically, guys, we are set for the day. Today, our makeup routine is our brows. We have some eyeliner on. We have one lash on, split in half. We have lip gloss on. And our face and neck and everything is moisturized, right? So, guys, thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. You have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Know that I appreciate you guys. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. And I'm going to talk to you later. Mwah. Yes, this is perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect.
Then get up, get dressed.